Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we're diving into the must-have snow and ice products that are flying off the shelves on Amazon. Whether you're prepping for the winter season or looking for the best solutions to tackle ice and snow, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into our countdown of the top-selling snow and ice products on Amazon. These items are tried, tested, and trusted by countless satisfied customers. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling snow and ice products on Amazon is the Mallory 518 16 inches Snow Weevil Snow Brush. This tool is a game-changer for anyone battling the elements during the winter months. Let's dive into the features that make the Snow Weevil stand out. This snow brush is the epitome of efficiency and durability, combining a robust scraper and a full bristle brush. The scraper? Oh, it's not just any scraper. It's designed to cut through the toughest ice and frost like a hot knife through butter. Imagine waking up to a car encased in a stubborn ice shell. But with one swift motion, you're back in control, on the road in no time. That's the power of the Snow Weevil. Now let's talk about the brush. This isn't your ordinary brush. It's built to handle thick snow with ease. The full bristle brush sweeps away snow quickly and effectively, leaving your car clean and ready to go. Perfect for those frosty mornings when time is of the essence. The handle is molded for comfort and control, ensuring that even the most vigorous scraping won't tire your hands. Whether you're dealing with a light dusting of snow or a full-blown blizzard aftermath, the Snow Weevil provides the grip and stability you need to get the job done efficiently. This brush is especially ideal for small cars, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of vehicles. And let's not forget the fun part. It comes in assorted colors, adding a touch of personality to your winter toolkit. To sum it up, the Mallory 518 16 inches Snow Weevil Snow Brush is a perfect blend of functionality and style. Designed to make your winter mornings a little less daunting, it's not just a tool, it's your trusty companion in the battle against snow and ice. Number 4 on our top 5 best-selling snow and ice products on Amazon is the EHDIS 10 PCS Vinyl Squeegee Felt Edge Squeegee. Let's explore why this versatile tool has captured the hearts of so many. The EHDIS squeegee is not just any ordinary squeegee. Crafted with a plastic felt edge, this 4-inch tool is a marvel of convenience and efficiency. Its compact size makes it easy to store, especially in its handy round tube, ensuring that organization is never an issue. What sets this squeegee apart is its felt edge, which significantly reduces scratches and marks on vinyl surfaces during installation. Whether you're applying vinyl wrap to your car, installing window tint film, or even pasting wallpaper, the EHDIS squeegee is your go-to tool. The durable vinyl construction guarantees longevity and reliability, making it reusable and perfect for smooth substrates. This isn't just a one-trick pony. The EHDIS squeegee is a jack-of-all-trades in the world of vinyl application. It's widely used for automotive vinyl wrapping, vehicle color changes, wallpaper pasting, and glass film installations. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this squeegee is your ultimate companion. But wait, there's more. The EHDIS squeegee's flexibility and durability allow it to work seamlessly on both flat and curved surfaces. This means you get maximum grip and smooth application every time, with no more air bubbles or imperfections. It's not only a superb wallpaper kit, but also great for vinyl wraps, window tints, glass, and even craft projects like iron-on applications, scrapbooking, and lettering. In each package, you get 10 of these medium-hard professional squeegees, each with a black fabric felt edge. That's 10 times the efficiency, 10 times the versatility, and 10 times the satisfaction. To sum it up, the EHDIS 10 PCS Vinyl Squeegee Felt Edge Squeegee is more than just a tool. It's a multifunctional solution for a myriad of applications. Whether you're handling snow removal from vehicles or engaging in intricate craft projects, this squeegee is designed to deliver perfection with every swipe. Number 3 on our list of the top 5 best-selling snow and ice products on Amazon is the SJBLZD-LED 4-in-1 Telescoping Snow Broom plus Ice Scraper. This innovative tool is designed to make your winter mornings hassle-free, whether it's day or night. Let's start with the foam head. At 18 inches long and 7 inches wide, the non-abrasive foam head is your first line of defense against heavy, wet snow. It effortlessly pushes snow off your vehicle without a scratch, protecting your paint, trim, and glass. Imagine waking up to a snow-covered car and with just a few swipes, it's clean and clear, ready for the day ahead. But that's not all. The Snow Joe Snow Broom is equipped with 4 LED lights, turning your nighttime snow clearing into a breeze. The emergency blinker function adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring you're visible to others while you work in the dark. No more fumbling around with flashlights or struggling to see in the dim morning light. This tool lights up your path, literally. Next up, the built-in ice scraper. This isn't just any ice scraper. It's designed to tackle even the toughest icy buildup on your windshield. One swipe and your view is clear, safe, and unobstructed. Quick, efficient, and effortless. Just what you need on a frosty morning. The telescoping pole is another game changer. With an auto-locking mechanism, it adjusts from 33 inches to 52 inches, making it versatile enough for any vehicle size. Dual foam grips ensure a comfortable and secure hold, even when you're reaching those tricky spots. Plus, it's lightweight, weighing only 1.5 pounds, so it's easy to handle without straining your arms. For storage, the bracket holder secures the pole, keeping everything neat and accessible. No more clutter, no more lost parts. Just a streamlined solution for all your snow and ice needs. In summary, the Snow Joe SJBLZD-LED 4-in-1. Telescoping Snow Broom plus Ice Scraper is not just a tool, it's your ultimate winter companion. From its non-abrasive foam head to its illuminating LED lights, from its efficient ice scraper to its adjustable telescoping pole, every feature is designed with you in mind. This is winter made easy, effective, and efficient. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling snow and ice products on Amazon? Well, don't let this flurry of great tools slip by. Give it a like. Be sure to scrape up a subscription and hit that bell icon so you're never left out in the cold. Securing the number 2 spot in our top 5 best-selling snow and ice products on Amazon is the AstroAI 27 inches snow brush and detachable ice scraper. This is not just any snow brush. It's a meticulously designed tool that stands out in both functionality and durability. Let's delve into its standout features. First, the paint protection design. The bristle head is uniquely polished, appearing lighter and finer. Each bristle is split into several strands, ensuring they're soft enough to avoid scratching your car paint. No faded, worn bristles here, just a smooth, safe brushing experience every time. Now, on to its build quality. Crafted to last, this snow brush features a high-strength ABS shaft, PC bristles, and an EVA cotton handle. Engineered to withstand the harshest snowstorms and temperatures plunging as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit, this tool is built for the toughest conditions. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Perfect for women, men, dads, and moms alike. When it comes to performance, the AstroAI Snow Brush excels. The integrated knuckles on the ice scraper break up ice effortlessly, allowing you to scrape it away without damaging your windshield. It quickly brushes off loose snow from your car's windshields, roofs, doors, hoods, and side mirrors. Push, scrape, and clear with ease. One of its most convenient features is the divide and conquer capability. The brush and scraper can be quickly separated for easier handling, making it simple to divide up the work. And when you're done, it stores effortlessly, whether connected or detached. Let's talk dimensions. At 27 inches long, this snow brush provides added reach, making it ideal for all vehicle sizes. The 7-inch brush head moves swiftly across windscreens, and the 4.5-inch ice scraper digs deep without scratching. Plus, AstroAI offers a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance in your purchase. In summary, the AstroAI 27 inches snow brush and detachable ice scraper is a powerhouse in snow and ice removal. With its thoughtful design, robust construction, and user-friendly features, it's no wonder this tool has earned its place as the second bestseller. Experience the blend of precision and power with AstroAI, your ultimate winter warrior. Finally, we've reached the pinnacle of our countdown. The #1 best-selling snow and ice product on Amazon, the Lisle 52000 Razor Blade Scraper. This tool is the epitome of precision and efficiency, setting the gold standard for snow and ice removal tools. The Lisle 52000 is not your average scraper. It comes equipped with 5 stainless steel blades, perfect for removing even the most stubborn stickers from windshields and bumpers. Imagine the frustration of a frosty morning, struggling with old stickers and grime. With the Lisle 52000, that hassle becomes a thing of the past. But versatility doesn't stop there. It also includes a plastic blade designed specifically for use on safety plastic laminated windshields, ensuring you can scrape away without a single scratch. Delicate surfaces are no match for this thoughtful tool. It handles them with care and precision. One of the standout features is the spring release mechanism, which allows for the effortless interchange of blades. No more fumbling or struggling to swap out dull blades. A quick release, a simple switch, and you're back to tackling the job with a fresh, sharp edge. It's efficiency and convenience wrapped in one sleek design. Storage is a breeze with the hollow handle that neatly stores all the blades when not in use. No more lost blades or cluttered toolboxes. Everything you need is right there, housed within the handle, ready and waiting for when you need it. In summary, the Lisle 52000 razor blade scraper is the ultimate combination of practicality, efficiency, and thoughtful design. From its versatile blade options to the ease of blade interchange and compact storage, it's a must-have tool for any vehicle owner. Tackle snow, ice, and stickers with confidence and ease. This is why the Lisle 52000 stands proudly as the #1 best-selling snow and ice product on Amazon. Experience the difference with Lisle, the scraper that delivers precision and power. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling snow and ice products on Amazon. To keep up with the latest and greatest, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we featured today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.